Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Could not sign in to Facebook after iOS 14 update. When try to sign in, it shows could not communicate with the server. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this error. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Update Facebook app. To check update for Facebook, first connect to Wi-Fi, then open App Store. Next, tap on Today tab. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and check if update available for Facebook, update the Facebook app. Solution number 2. Delete Facebook app and reinstall it. For that, first touch and hold the Facebook app until quick menu appears. Tap on delete app and tap again delete to confirm your action. After delete the Facebook app, restart your iPhone. After restart, connect to Wi-Fi, go to App Store and re-download the Facebook app. Solution number 3. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, first launch Settings, tap General, tap Reset and tap Reset Network Settings, put your passcode and tap again Reset Network Setting to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Reset location and privacy. To reset location and privacy, first launch Settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset Location and Privacy, put your passcode and tap again Reset Setting to confirm your action. Solution number 5. Check for software update. To check software update, launch Settings, go to Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. After that, tap on General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.